MJM Documentation and Consultancy Services presents the steps and procedure if you choose to DIY your visa application. This does not only save money, you can also learn and develop a skill in documentation. To know more about this topic, do not forget to click subscribe to our channel and share this post. Times are tough and hard and you think you cannot afford to hire an agent. I will guide you all the way on how to DIY your submission. What are the things you need to prepare in your visa application? Remember these steps: gathering documents, making payments, set a schedule, prepare for the interview, planning your trip, show up. Part of gathering your documents is to identify your destination and which type of visa you need to apply. Once known, every destination has its own set of fees and rates. Once paid, you can now schedule your appointment for interview, biometrics, or even medical checkup. Some destinations requires face-to-face interview. There are some that can be done online. Do not go empty-handed during your interview. You may check again your list of requirements that you need to hand carry. We will be glad to assist you with your DIY application. If you want to know more, type on the topic on the comment section and we will show you how. Do not forget to click like to our Facebook and subscribe to our channel so we can do more informative contents. Only for you. Thank you for watching.